Task 2 says, what is the price of this water bottle after sales tax? So this problem has two parts to it, because besides having to calculate the sales tax, we also need to figure out what the sale price was. It was originally $34.95, but it is on sale for 35% off. So we're going to start by finding the sale price. My whole is going to be the original cost of the water bottle, $34.95. My percent is going to be 65%, because if it's 35% off, that means I am paying for 65%, and the part is the sale price, and that's what we don't know. So once again, I'm going to solve this with an equation because it's quicker than using a proportion, but if you prefer the proportion, you can do it that way. So for my equation, my part, which is x, is equal to my percent in its decimal form. So 65% is 0.65 times the whole, the $34.95. Use your calculator to do 0.65 times $34.95, and we get that x equals 22.7175. Now we are talking money here, so I am going to round that to the hundredth place. So I'm going to say that the sale price is $22.72, since there is a 7 back here. Round that 1 up. So there is my sale price. Next, I'm going to calculate how much I'm going to pay with the sales tax. So now my whole is the $22.72, because that's how much I'm going to pay for the water bottle. The percent is 106%. I'm going to pay the whole 100% plus an extra 6% sales tax. And the part is going to be my variable. When I write my equation, the part is equal to my percent in its decimal form, so 106% is 1.06, times my whole, which is $22.72. When I use my calculator to multiply 1.06 times 22.72, I get an answer of 24.08. So this particular water bottle will end up costing me $24.08 after I take the discount of 35% off and calculate my tax. All right, our last problem here is talking about Aiden ordering dinner for a party from Horsham Pizza. His pizzas and garlic knots come to a total of $78.44 after the 6% sales tax. How much was the bill before the tax? All right, so they're asking us for the whole here. They're asking us for the original cost before the sales tax was added. We know that when we calculate a percent with the sales tax, it's 106. You pay for 100% plus 6% sales tax. And the part here is how much he ended up paying, including the tax, which is $78.44. All right, so we could solve this one with an equation again, but I'll go with a proportion this time since I know a lot of people prefer that method. So I put my part over my whole and my percent over 100. When I do my cross multiplying, I'm going to end up with 106x equals 7,844. I will then divide by 106 on each side. When I use my calculator, I find that x is equal to 74. So that was my whole. So how much was the bill before tax? It was $74. Part B says if Aiden wants to leave a 20% tip on the bill before tax, how much should he leave? All right. So our percent here is going to be 20%. He's leaving a 20% tip. Our whole is going to be the total for the bill before the tax. So that was the $74 that we just calculated. And the part is what we don't know, how much tip he's going to leave. All right, so I'm going to go with the equation again because when you have to find the part, the equation is really the fastest way to do this. I need to use the percent in its decimal form, so that's going to be 0.20. and multiply that by my whole. I'm going to use my calculator. 0.20 times 74 is equal to 14.80. So the amount of the tip he should leave is $14.80. The last part of this problem says how much is Aiden's total bill, including the tip. So I'm going to figure out how much he paid with tax. We actually already know that. They told us that. That's the $78.44. And then he's going to leave $14.80 as his tip. So altogether, the bill and the tax and the tip are going to come to a total of $93.20. And that is the answer to the question.